Step into the world of classic charm with Hedera Ivy, a timeless and versatile plant that has adorned gardens for centuries. Known for its lush greenery and adaptability, Hedera Ivy has become a symbol of enduring elegance. Join us as we explore the unique qualities that make this evergreen vine a beloved choice for gardeners and landscape enthusiasts. Native to Europe and Western Asia, Hedera Ivy has found its way into gardens worldwide. Its adaptability to different climates and soil conditions has contributed to its widespread cultivation. The plant's ability to thrive in various environments has made it a popular choice for both indoor and outdoor landscapes. Hedera Ivy is characterized by its glossy, dark green leaves that display a classic lobe shape. The vines can trail gracefully or climb surfaces, creating a lush, dense covering. The plant's growth habit makes it suitable for ground cover, containers, hanging baskets, or as climbing vine on walls, fences, and arbors. Hedera Ivy is known for its adaptability to different light conditions, including full sun to partial shade. It thrives in well-drained soil with regular watering. Once established, it demonstrates resilience to drought and can tolerate a range of soil types. Pruning can help control its growth and shape. Whether used as a ground cover, accent plant, or climbing vine, Hedera Ivy complements a variety of garden companions. Pair it with flowering plants to create a visually dynamic garden bed, or let it cascade from hanging baskets for a cascading effect. Its ability to climb makes it a versatile companion for vertical gardening. Hedera Ivy serves both functional and ornamental purposes in garden design. As a ground cover, it suppresses weeds and provides a green carpet-like appearance. When used as a climbing vine, it adds a touch of sophistication to walls and structures. Indoors, it is a popular choice for hanging baskets or as a trailing houseplant. While Hedera Ivy is appreciated for its ornamental value, it is important to note that all parts of the plant are toxic if ingested. It should be planted with caution, especially in areas accessible to children and pets. In conclusion, Hedera Ivy is a timeless classic that continues to enchant gardeners with its enduring elegance. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of plants.